30-minute better than takeout chicken fried rice that you can simply make at home. To your sliced chicken thighs, add regular soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, cornstarch, and oil. Marinate and set aside. In a bowl, combine regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, chicken bouillon powder, white pepper, mix together. Over medium-high heat, add oil and your marinated chicken. Fry until cooked, remove and set aside. More oil, shallots and garlic. Fry for 10 seconds. Push to the side, peas and carrots. Fry for another 10 seconds. Push to the side, more oil, eggs. Scramble, then mix with your ingredients. Day-old cooked rice, mix well. Chicken, toss together. Sauce, one last mix. Enjoy. Visit profile for recipe link, like and follow for more.
Recipe Mango Matcha Latte. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons matcha powder with 40 to 60 milliliter hot water and whisk until smooth. In a blender, add half a medium very sweet mango, 100 to 150 milliliter milk, and ice cubes. Blend until creamy and smooth. Pour the mango milk over ice, then slowly add the matcha on top. Blend, sip, and enjoy this creamy delight.